Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Vue 3. Today we are going to learn about the class and the style bindings in Vue 3. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. In Vue 3, class and the style bindings are used to conditionally apply classes or inline styles to the elements based on the certain conditions or the data. This is done using directives like vbind_class and vbind_style, or their shorthand versions like class and the style. Class bindings on a class object, right? So let's take an example of that one. So this is the code. Let's copy and add it. Okay, added. Let's have a look. So toggle active. If I go and just inspect this one, so there is no class over here, right? Let me plus this one. Okay, now I'm going to just zoom it out so you get to know about this. So here you can go and just this one. Here you can see button toggle and toggle error. So when I click on active, you can see active class is added, right? In the example, when I click on the toggle error, text danger is added. Okay, you can see when I toggle again, it removes. So let's see how it is done. So here you can say p class active is active. So first check is active by default. By default active is false. Has error is by default false. So there is no class initial, right? So when there is a click on the toggle active, right? So there is, you can see that we have a toggle active. When we have a click on that, then is active dot value. For the reference, how we get the value with the dot value, opposite that one. Okay, so when it click on the toggle active, okay, so if it is false then come true, if it is true then come false. Okay, same with the toggle error. Okay, right. And then is active has error toggle active, we are going to expose that one. Okay, so after this, if this is active, then the active class is active class will add. Okay, if it is active, then active class. If has error is true, then text changer is added. Right. So this is how we are able to bind a class object. Okay, class bindings. Right, with the help of the dot class and the dot colons style. You can see colon class. Okay, so colon class we have added, right, class bindings. Then we move to the style also. Okay, so here we have a style also, so you can, I have forgot to add the style also over here. So let's add the style and check this one. So let's have a look on that one. So if it's toggle active bold, toggle error red, toggle active, okay, again toggle error, toggle active bold, right? So here you can see that. Okay, the next one, let's explain this. Dot class active is active text changer has error binds classes conditionally based on the is active and the has error reactive variables. When is active is true, the active class is applied, making the text bold. When has error is true, the text changer class is applied, changing the text color to be red. Clicking the buttons toggles the values of is active and has error dynamically changes the applied classes. Okay, style bindings. So here we have a style, right? So let's copy and paste this one. So here we go with this one, right? So here, column style, color, text color, font size, this binds the inline styles based on the text color and the text size reactive variables. Okay, so here you can see that. Let me word wrap this. Button click, change style. Okay, so whenever I click on the change style, so first we'll get the text color and the text size. By default it's black and the text size is 16. Okay, so if I change, then text color dot value equal to, if it is black then make it blue, else black. If the value is 16, then make it 20, otherwise 16. So there is a when there is a click on the button, change the style. Okay, and then return the text color, text size, and the change style. Okay, so style, color, text area, font size binds the inline styles based on the text color and the text size. Reactive variables, the change style method toggles the text color between the black and the blue and the text size between the 16 to 20 pixels when the button is clicked. Both class and the style bindings in the view 3 allow you to dynamically manage the appearance of elements based on the data, making your component more flexible and reactive. So here change style, you can see the color and the font size. Okay, so this is how you are able to do the data bind, sorry, only the style binding and the class bindings, right? So it's basically the topic on the class and the style bindings in the view 3. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.